Visitors traveling to Yosemite National Park have the opportunity to take a ride back in time to the days of steam-powered logging trains in California's Sierra Nevada mountains. The trains of the Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad offer visitors a 4-mile, 45-minute round trip through the Sierra National Forest near Fish Camp, California. The railroad uses a restored portion of the former Madera Sugar Pine Lumber Company Railroad. The railroad's depot is located just off Highway 41 near the south entrance to Yosemite National Park. Visitors ride in open or covered cars. Oil-burning Shea Locomotive number 10 is powering the train today. This engine, which was built by the Lima Locomotive Works in 1928, is the largest narrow-gauge Shea ever built. The locomotive worked for the West Side Lumber Company of Tuolumne, California, before it was acquired by the Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad in the middle 1960s. This railroad operates over rails spaced 3 feet apart, which is commonly referred to as narrow gauge. Standard gauge rails are 4 feet 8 1/2 inches apart. The fresh smell of the forest is quite vivid here at the 5,000-foot elevation. Passengers gaze upward at the towering pine, cedar, and fir trees as the train travels at a leisurely pace along the winding tracks. The train makes its way to a picnic area at Slab Creek Loop, where it is turned for the trip back. Passengers can get a good view of the geared Shea locomotive here with its unique mechanical arrangement of steam cylinders and drive mechanism. Because the cylinders on a Shea transmit power to the wheels via a geared drive shaft, top speed is only about 10 miles per hour. However, a Shea can pull heavy loads up much steeper grades than conventional rod locomotives. The open bench cars on the railroad feature a unique seat notched out of an actual log. From a distance, these cars look just like those which once transported timber from the woods to the sawmill. Passengers are free to walk about and explore the nearby area during the brief 10-minute stop. During the wait, our engineer checks to make sure that adequate lubrication is being supplied to the many moving parts on the Shea locomotive. He also checks the bearings to make sure none of them are overheating. Passengers who wish to remain at the loop to explore or enjoy a picnic lunch can board a later train for the ride up the mountain.
Little apples in Spanish. Now, there is a small berry on the bush, and the Indians that lived here used to pick the berry, and they made manzanita cider to drink. The other ground cover alongside here with the small white flower is bear clover, and during the months of April, May, and June, wildflower honey is made from the bear clover.
During the 45-minute trip, the train conductor describes many points of interest along the route.
There, that's part of Elder Grove. Some of those trees along the ridge are over 2,000 years old.
The delightful journey comes to an end as the train arrives back at the depot area. On days when the steam train is not running, visitors can ride aboard rail cars known as jennies, which are powered by Model A Ford engines. These unique vehicles offer visitors a distinctive way to experience rail travel through the Sierra National Forest. The Jenny rail cars are used daily beginning in early spring. Steam trains run on weekends from April through October and daily during the summer months. If your travel plans include Yosemite National Park, don't miss this great American train ride that your whole family will enjoy.